This is the Journey Air Elite, one of the lightest power chairs on the market today. Just 26 pounds without the battery. And it folds in seconds. If you're looking for travel-ready independence, this is it. Built with a carbon fiber frame, the Air Elite weighs just 26 pounds without the battery. That means easy lifting, whether you're putting it in a car, a closet, or overhead storage. Holding it is a breeze. Just one pull and it collapses down in seconds. One-finger joystick control gives you smooth, effortless movement. You can even switch sides for left or right-handed operation. With a 10-mile range and an airline-approved lithium battery, you're set for errands, travel, or a full day of adventure. The Air Elite stops instantly when you let go of the joystick. No pedals or handbrakes needed. Flat-free tires and anti-tippers make it extra secure. Flip-back armrests make transfers easy. And the slim frame glides through doorways and fits right under most tables. Whether you're headed to the airport, grabbing lunch, or enjoying a day out, the Air Elite gives you the freedom to go wherever life takes you. Lightweight, foldable, and ready for anything, the Journey Air Elite is redefining mobility. Give Automobility Store a call at 800-431-3183 or visit us online at automobilitystore.com to learn more.